Good morning, sixth grade friends. Mrs. Greeno here. I am going to explain a little bit about the web quest that you're going to do today. Okay, so you're going to open this up in your classwork tab under the Mesopotamia, Egypt, and it's called December 9th, Mummification and the Afterlife. Okay, when you open up your slides, they're going to look like this. Okay. On the first slide, there are directions. Drag each definition into the middle column and line it up with the correct word. See my example with the scarab beetle. Then add an image from the web that goes with each word. Okay, so I already have the definition of scarab beetle here. So in order to get that, what I would have done is it would have been over here. Okay, I'm going to hover over it until I get the crosshairs with the arrows, and I'm going to click, and I'm going to drag it into the definition column next to scarab beetle. Okay. Then to insert an image, I'm going to go up here, image, search the web. Okay, and I'm going to type in scarab. Okay, and then I'm going to find one. This one looks kind of like one from ancient Egypt. Here's a real one. I'll pick that. I'm going to insert it. And then I'm going to just make it a little bit smaller and then put it in the image column next to scarab beetle. Okay? You're going to do that for all the words. Slide number 3. What you are going to do, you might have to zoom in to read this, okay? It says, you are going to learn about the Great Pyramids of Giza. Click here to access the website and write a description of each of the following sections in the table below. As you can see, I have filled some in for you, okay? You have to do these 1, 2, 3, and 4, and make sure when you get to this one, the last one, it says 2 facts. Okay, so what you're going to do, hover over the link, click on it, click again. It's going to take you a website called Ducksters. And then you are going to notice that there are sections. Okay, so the next section you have to fill in was why was the Great Pyramid built? You're going to scroll down. Oh my gosh, there it is. It matches in your own words. You're going to write why the Great Pyramid was built on your slides. Okay, remember, double click inside, highlight it, delete it, type your answer. Okay? Slide number 3 is about the Pyramid of Giza and how they built it. Okay, it says, have you ever wondered how the Egyptians actually built the Great Pyramid of Giza? Now you will learn how they did it. Click here to access the video. In the space below, summarize in 1 paragraph summary details from the video that explain just how they did it. So you are once again hovering over the here, click on it. It's going to take you to a YouTube video. Okay, you're going to watch it, and then you are going to summarize in 1 paragraph, so 3 to 5 sentences, how they built.
Writing's not that easy.
The pyramids.
But Grammarly can help.
Okay.
This sentence is grammatical.
Gotta love it, guys. Okay. Then slides 5, 6, and 7 are talking about mummification. Okay, remember we just skimmed the surface in class the other day, and I told you that today we were going to get into it a little bit, some of the gory details. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to slide out, zoom out so we can see the directions. Okay, it says click on the link, read the book. You wouldn't want to be an Egyptian mummy. For slides 5 to 7, click and drag the steps into the correct order while reading the book. So I have typed out the steps over here for you. You need to hover over them until you get the crosshairs, click and drag them into the correct place they need to be. Okay? In order to figure out where they're going to go, you're going to once again click on this, follow the link, and it's going to take you to a digital copy of this book, You Wouldn't Want to Be an Egyptian Mummy. Okay, so what you're going to do is once you get here, okay, you are going to click next. Just kidding, you're not going to click next. You're going to click, sorry guys, introduction, okay? And it's going to give you some information. If you hover over certain parts of the pictures, it has some really funny captions, okay? And then once you read that, you're going to hit next once you've gotten into the introduction, okay? And it'll take you through the book, and some of the steps are in these readings, okay? And then you can follow along, figure it out, and that is for slides 5, 6, and 7. You're going to do the same thing. Click and drag what I have already typed out for you into the correct boxes. On slide number 8, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to design a sarcophagus. I mean, if you remember, we talked about this on Monday. That is the stone coffin that they put the mummies inside of, okay? So what I want you to do is, remote kids, you got a copy of this paper sent home today. So you could have it for class today. If not, I would like you to get out a piece of paper. It could be lined, could be computer paper, whatever you want to do, okay? And you're going to draw something remotely that looks like this, okay? And then you are going to decorate it, okay? It says you're going to design it, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take a picture of it, and then you're going to insert it here, and these are the directions for how to do that. And then you're going to describe it. My sarcophagus has these colors on it because they're my favorite colors and they represent this. And I put a butterfly on it because butterflies are my favorite, and blah, 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 blah. Okay, you're going to design your own sarcophagus. And then you're going to submit this. This is your classwork for today. So this is something we're going to be doing in class. Okay, if you do not complete it in class, it is homework. And reminder that on Friday you have an assessment on your religion vocabulary terms. Keep doing that Quizlet to practice, and you should be ready to go. And that's all I got for you. Check out where Blizzard is in our virtual classroom today. Do your kindness challenge, and I will see you later.